So just going to do a quick video this afternoon, just literally showing you a variety of rhododendron that I've got in the garden, micranthum Bloombux. You will notice that got a few injuries. I was doing a bit of tree surgery this morning and a branch seemed to deviate somewhat and hit me in the head. Should have been wearing a bit more protective gear, but these things happen. Anyway, let's turn around and on with the filming. Right, I thought I'd try and get this video done pretty quickly as it's going to rain and sounds like the thunder's coming. So here goes. I thought I'd show you this plant, which is Rhododendron micranthum Bloombux. I've had it planted in my garden for about 3 years out the back here. I've also got one out the front and some planted around my mum's as well. It's been on the market for a few years now, in the UK that is. Prior to that, all the production of it went to Sweden, places like Sweden. The grower is of this particular plant is one of my German suppliers, Heine, and they do an amazing job of it. And as the name would suggest, Bloombux, it's because it looks a bit like Buxus or box plant, but it flowers. Unlike Buxus, it isn't prone to hardly any diseases. Well, it doesn't seem to be prone to any diseases at all at the moment. It doesn't even really get aphid on it. It is an Incaro type of rhodo, so therefore it's lime tolerant. So perfect for me in Essex. We are nice clay soil. So yep, I never feed this with an acid feed. It doesn't need it. As you can see, it's just popping out into flower now. It will get around about 3 to 4 foot in height. Similar sort of spread. I've actually got three plants here, which I'm hoping will form sort of a nice big mass. And as you can see, the bees love it as well. So yeah, there's one happily there. And again, in case you're worried about hardiness, it's hardy to -20. And in Sweden, which they purchase 50 to 80,000 a year of them, they actually use it as their hedging plant. So yeah, Bloombux. Thought I'd just show you it as it's it's coming to flower and something a little bit different. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you soon. Bye.